In this segment of the Word tutorial for Mac OS, I'll demonstrate how to hyperlink to a website or a resource on the internet from a document in Word. Typically, to hyperlink, all you have to do is select the word that you want to hyperlink, and in this case, let's say we want to hyperlink to the website. So we select the words that we want to hyperlink, and then click on the link icon under the Insert tab, click on Link, and from here you can link to an address. In this case, just put the URL to the address, to the website, and then click OK. At this point, you can click on it, and it will take you to the website. You can do this for pictures, text, basically any object in your document. When using the linking option, you can also link to a document on your computer by selecting Browse and then finding the document. But the issue is that if you share this document with someone else, they'll not be able to access it. So I'd suggest that when using the links, use the web addresses.